laws across the Aravalli range should be similar so that there is a uniformity and interstate coordination also develops better.
Let me come back to the hard facts. Because number one, the government would have us believe that a green wall implemented project is in place to protect the Aravallis. We are saying that till now the government has made zero budgetary allocation to the green wall project. How has it even been implemented with zero budgetary allocations? Let me, you talk about geotagging. On 21st July 2025, sir, the Environment Ministry replied in Lok Sabha that Rajasthan recorded 2,096 cases of illegal mining across 20 districts in the last 5 years. Accountability gaps that geotagging alone may not address. Let me also tell you, sir, 2018 report by the Supreme Court appointed CEC says 25% of the Aravalli range has been lost due to illegal mining. All of this is just fear-mongering, sir? Peddling of an agenda?
No,
when is the government going to wake up?
Preeti, not at all, not at all. You must understand this illegal mining is not just a curse or a sin that is being done by humans to Aravalli. It is also there in Punjab, in various rivers, riverbeds or other states which are there. Himachal, to be very clear. There
How does that make
enough
it right?
of illegal mining. No, please let me finish, Preeti. The whole point is...
How does it make it right? How does it justify this?
No, it does not. Who's saying that it makes it right? All that I'm saying is that this is a curse that we humans are doing on the nature. And for these facts only, there has to be a uniformity which must, and that Mr. Ashok Gehlot has been categorically saying for a long time that laws across the Aravalli range should be similar so that there is a uniformity and interstate coordination also develops better. Now,
I love it, Mr. Malik, when you bring in Ashok Gehlot at times of this, because I would think the Congress and Mr. Ashok Gehlot would be the last one you'd want to quote.